Hi everyone, this tutorial is on how to make Christmas wreath macaroons and snowman macarons. I'm super excited because this video is a collab with my friend TheCakingGirl. Check out her tutorial on how to make Santa and Mrs. Claus cupcakes in the description below. So let's get started. All of the ingredients can be found in the description box below. We're going to start by sifting some icing sugar and some almond flour. Next, we add a pinch of salt, and then we mix everything up. And you can put that aside, and we need some egg whites. Mix the egg whites and the cream of tartar on medium until it's frothy. Then add the superfine sugar. Mix on high for about 5 minutes until shiny and stiff. Now we're going to mix everything together, and then we're going to add in some vanilla. We're going to start with the Christmas wreath first, so I'm going to put aside some of the batter for the snowman later. I'm just using some food coloring now to color the batter green for the Christmas wreath. Once your batter is ready, you can transfer it into a piping bag and begin piping. I used my macaroon template as a guide to pipe the circles. The template can be found in the description box below. Now we're just going to make sure that we get rid of all of the air bubbles. After it's been out for a bit, you can start decorating before you pop them in the oven. Let's move on to the snowman. I'm going to mix the batter up so that it's ready to pipe. Again, I'm using my templates as a base for the body. Make sure you start with the bodies first. I did an example of what happens when you do the body and the head together. Instead, keep it out for 10 minutes and then add the heads. After it sits for half an hour, pop them in the oven for 15 minutes. And they're ready! I like using buttercream as the filling. Let's start decorating. Okay, so we're going to start with the nose, which is a carrot. We're going to use some orange food coloring mixed with some water and a really fine brush. Next, I'm using my AmeriColor Gourmet Writers to draw some eyes and a mouth. Same goes with the scarf. These are AmeriColor Gourmet Writers in red. And I'm going to add the buttons, and then I'm going to take some brown food coloring and the same superfine brush, and I'm going to draw in the arms. Let's make that again, this time with a blue scarf. So again with the carrot, we're drawing a little triangle, and then we're going to add in the eyes and the smile, and then we're going to use a blue gourmet writer this time, and we're going to draw the scarf. I'm doing like an S shape basically. And then I'm going to add in the buttons, and then I'm taking the brown food coloring again with the superfine brush, and I'm just drawing in some branches for the arms. Okay, so let's move on to the Christmas wreaths. So here's 2 ways that you can do this. One is by adding the decorative elements before you pop the macaroons in the oven. Afterwards, all you'll have to do is just add a bow in. I'm again using my Gourmet Writers in red, and I'm just freehand drawing a bow. Or you can use edible metallic paint and dab on some circles by using the back of your paintbrush. And that's it. Now you have beautiful Christmas wreath macaroons. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure to check out TheCakingGirl's tutorial on how to make Santa and Mrs. Claus cupcakes. Subscribe for tutorials and more.